The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and Nata dreams come true. Download the app now.
July month. 1st July, Doctor's Day. 6th July, World Zoonosis Day. 15th July, World Youth Skills Day. 11th July, World Population Day. 18th July, International Nelson Mandela Day. 28th July, World Hepatitis Day. August month. August, 1st Sunday, International Friendship Day. 6th August, Hiroshima Day. 8th August, World Senior Citizens Day. 9th August, Quit India Day, Nagasaki Day. 15th August, Indian Independence Day. 18th August, International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples. 19th August, Photography Day, World Humanitarian Day. 29th August, National Sports Day. September month. 2nd September, Coconut Day. 5th September, Teachers' Day, International Day of Charity. 8th September, International Literacy Day. 15th September, Engineers' Day, International Day of Democracy. 16th September, World Ozone Day. 21st September, Alzheimer's Day, Day for Peace and Non-Violence. 22nd September, Rose Day, Welfare for Cancer Patients. 26th September, Day of the Deaf, World Contraception Day. 27th September, World Tourism Day. 28th September, World Rabies Day. 29th September, World Heart Day. September, last Saturday, World River Day. October month. 1st October, International Day for the Elderly. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, International Non-Violence Day. October, 1st Monday, World Habitat Day. 4th October, World Animal Welfare Day. 8th October, Indian Air Force Day. 9th October, World Post Office Day. 10th October, National Post Day, World Mental Health Day. October, 2nd Thursday, World Sight Day. 13th October, UN International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction. 14th October, World Standards Day. 15th October, World Students Day, World White Cane Day. 16th October, World Food Day. 24th October, UN Day, World Development Information Day. 30th October, World Thrift Day. November month. 5th November, World Tsunami Day. 7th November, National Cancer Awareness Day. 9th November, Legal Services Day. 14th November, Children's Day, Diabetes Day. 17th November, National Epilepsy Day. 19th November, World Toilet Day. 20th November, Africa Industrialization Day. 21st November, World Television Day. 29th November, International Day of Solidarity with Palestinian People. December month. 1st December, World AIDS Day. 2nd December, National Pollution Control. 3rd December, World Day of the Handicapped. 4th December, Indian Navy Day. 7th December, Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. 10th December, Human Rights Day, International Children's Day of Broadcasting. 11th December, International Mountain Day. 14th December, World Energy Conservation Day. 16th December, Vijay Divas. 18th December, Minorities Rights Day, India. 22nd December, National Mathematics Day. 23rd December, Kisan Divas, Farmers Day, India. 24th December, National Consumers Day. 25th December, Christmas Day.
Towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and Nata dreams come true. Download the app now.